So today I'm gonna be doing a little tutorial again, similar to how I did my hair routine. You should definitely watch that as well. I got some requests to do kind of like a lash tutorial. I did not have lashes on for the last video. I don't think I've had my lashes on for like any videos. I've been lashless. I'm gonna show how I do my little lash clusters at home because that's what I use. I just find it so much easier to do that, especially if I have an event coming up, just because like I'll just have the clusters on and that's that. Like I don't have to worry about mascara or whatever. And my eyelashes are so like thin, they're like literally like non-existent. So yeah. As for brands, I've been testing out like new ones lately, so I don't know which brand is best. I honestly just do whatever's cheapest. This time I'm using this brand. I don't even know how to say that. I don't know. I got it off Amazon. And as you can see, it's been used plenty. For the Bond and Seal, this is the brand for this. I need my little lash curler that's like I've had for like years. I don't know where the hell it's from. This little tweezer thing that came with this, actually, I think. So the first thing that I do is I curl my lashes. I'm not gonna show that because I feel like that's like self-explanatory. Like I think, yeah. Alrighty, so I just curled my lashes. Do you see a difference? Right. So we were doing clusters. Nothing wrong with that. Majority of the time I don't have lashes. First, if I can get this open, I put literally like a tiny bit of the Bond, and I don't put it like at the very base, because like where like the lash meets the skin, because like I don't put the lashes there, because if I do, then like it's gonna be a whole like disaster. Like genuinely my eyes will start itching like crazy. So I never put the lashes there. So I kind of like pulled, I definitely still have some glue still on there. But anywho, I like pull, wow, that looks crazy. Yeah, I pull up my eyelid just to get to like, again, not that'll come out eventually. Alright, so now
the things that you've lied about.
Now that I've stabbed myself and gotten glue probably in my eye, don't do that. I'm grabbing onto my towel that I purposely set up here because my hands are always very, very, very sweaty, you know. A little hyperhidrosis in the mix. I used to put lashes like all like from the outer corner all the way into the inner corner. I don't even put any in the very inner corner anymore because I felt like that irritated my eye a lot. And maybe I look horrible in person. Maybe I look. I personally like to use, I believe it's like 2 of the 12s, which is like this one. So yeah, like 2 of the 12s and then 2 of the 10s. I'm gonna just take from the bottom and pull up. That way I'm not messing with the lash itself. So very first one, again, I don't put too much glue on it. I like just prop my elbow up for, you know, a little support. Again, I'm gonna pull up my eye, and I'm not gonna put it all the way at the base. I'm gonna put it a little above that. I'm gonna go in with another 12. Okay, again, I don't know if you can see, but I'm not gonna put it at the very bottom. I'm gonna kind of overlap it. You're not completely overlapping it, but like slightly, because otherwise you're just gonna have like these 2 clusters just like visibly there. I'm gonna grab my first 10 while my eyes keep closing shut. Not too much glue. Again, I'm doing the whole overlap and not at the very bottom. Okay, now my second 10. Same process of overlapping. So I'm gonna repeat that process on the other side.
Guess I'm myself from walking down the corridor, so burned from devastation. I know it's been a while, but I can't help it. Can't stop myself from thinking about you. Call me crazy, oh, as if you could tell. You got me wondering if you knew me well.
Alrighty, so definitely my lashes are by no means sisters. They're definitely maybe like cousins. Let that kind of sit for a little bit just so that like when I'm gonna put the seal over it, I don't have like an issue doing that and like pull them off. I think it's been a minute since, or well, I don't know how long exactly. Wow. Little hyperhidrosis in the mix. It's been okay. So I give these a minute to really settle this time. I let it sit for like probably like 5 minutes or maybe more than 5 minutes. I don't know. I was just scrolling through TikTok. I don't put too much of the seal. I try to like put it wherever like the lash would have touched my lash. What am I even saying right now? I'm sure you could see what I'm doing. But again, I don't put that much. Oh my god, I just stabbed myself again. Alright, so we're gonna move on to the left eye. Just gonna hold my eye open and just try to get it very carefully, more careful than I did last time. It's just this one eye too. Like I fully like painted like my eyeball with glue. I had the one lash fall. I hope that something in this was helpful, maybe is relatable to other people who also do their lashes. Yeah, be prepared to potentially poke yourself in the eye maybe like 3 times or more. If you have any other requests or anything, definitely let me know, because again, I love doing requests. They're super fun. If you got this far, thank you so much for watching, and thank you for watching my other videos if you have as well. I really appreciate the support. Also, thank you for 100 subscribers! It may be small, but I am still gonna recognize that. That's still pretty cool. And I'm looking forward to any other milestones and any other things that I maybe will accomplish, manifesting to accomplish. Yeah, so again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next week. Yeah, next week.